Okay, it's F550 time. Got all the parts in. Got it pulled over here. Gonna start cleaning it out. Gonna vacuum it out. Well, first off, empty all the crap that was in it from the previous owner. Then vacuum it out. Then wipe it down. Get a better idea of what might need to be repaired inside. So far, it doesn't really look bad. It's just dirty. I have to take this cover off and clean it up like we did for the F350, along with the seat belts. And I've got the dome light and a piece of that material that I'm going to cut out and paste in there. I don't think I'm going to take the headliner off. I might just try to clean it up a little bit with the carpet cleaner while it sits up there. Don't know yet. We'll figure that out. Then of course on the back, still gotta probably get these containers off, toolboxes off, and get this sandblasted down so I can get a new coat on there. Not much to be said on the rear. Got the new tires and rims already. This needs to be repaired. I'll probably have to get these doors off in some manner and see about banging that back into shape. And I've got to take the step off, take it down to a weld shop and see if they can weld some new pieces on there as a repair. So like I said, right now it's just dirty. We're going to clean it up and then start sorting through all the parts that I've got and determine what needs to be done first. Although I'm leaning right away to getting the turbocharger oil drain, oil seal right off the bat, get the engine done. That way I can get the engine compartment cleaned up. And this here bumper, I gotta remove it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's been broken right here. And I've got to pull the bumper off the piece that was broken off of the frame mount. See if I can get that welded back. This side I think is okay. And that's pretty much it for right now. Alright, this is after the first wipe down, and I can tell right away I'm going to be stripping everything out of the interior. It's going to need a pretty thorough deep cleaning. But at least I got the dust knocked down. So once I get the exterior done, engine work and the welding work done, I'll pull all these seats and the flooring and the trim, clean everything up and reassemble. But at least there's no evidence of hard rust. It's a few minor tears, and for some unknown reason quite a few little holes all the way through. Something probably was there at some point in time. I gotta figure that out. Maybe something to do with the seat belt. There's one here, there's one on the other side. So if nothing else, I'll find out what size thread those are. Shove a bolt in there with some caulking and seal them up underneath also. So this is just a quick refam in step one.